All right, in problem 28, we are told that we have AB parallel to CD, and we have AC parallel to BD. And we are asked to find both X and Y. And so if we look at what's given to us here as far as angles, I could see that if I have line AB in the red parallel to line CD in the red, that if I look at the placement of this angle here and this angle here, that those angles are consecutive interior angles, and therefore their sum should be 180. And that's going to tell me where to start. So I'm going to take that 10x, I'm going to take 10 minus 25x and add it to 10 minus 7x, and that's going to give me 180. And so I'm going to solve this equation for x. Need to do some combining of like terms here on the left side. Inverse operation, move the 20 over and divide out, and that's going to give me that x is equal to -5. And so if I look at that and I need to figure out the measure of the angle here, that angle that is 10 minus 25x, if I now take and substitute in -5 there, that is going to tell me that the measure of that angle is 135. And so this angle right here is 135. Now, if I look at the blue lines that are parallel, then looking at the blue lines that are parallel, if I look at this angle here and this angle here, I can now see that those are consecutive interior angles also. And so if I take the measurement here, which I know to be 135, and I add it to this unknown here, which is 9y, then I know that together those are going to equal 180. And so if I take and subtract 135, both sides, and divide, then I'm going to get y is equal to 5. And I have then found my x value and my y value. All right, if I look at the next one here, I'm given that for number 29, that we have A parallel to B, and I'm given information about this angle, and I'm asked to find x. If I look at the location of those angles, what I should see is those are corresponding angles. And so what I can do is use that to set up an equation. And so therefore my equation is going to be 7x plus 11 is equal to x plus 17. And so now I'm going to solve this equation, subtracting x from both sides and subtracting 11 from both sides, and that is going to give me that x is equal to 1. And so I have found out what the x value is there, which was my assignment for this one.